Ready to send money directly to a bank account, safely and quickly. First, head to the Worldremit website or open their app. You'll see a clear interface ready to help you get started. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Now, click on the Send Money button. You'll then choose the country where you're sending the money, then select Bank Transfer as your delivery method from the options. The next step is to enter the amount you wish to send and pick the currency you want the recipient to receive the money. In the screen will clearly show you the exchange rate and any associated fees. Be sure to carefully check these details. Next, you will need the recipient's bank account details. This typically includes their full name exactly as it appears on their bank account, the bank name, the bank's branch name, and the account's account number. Double-check everything for accuracy. Now choose your preferred payment method. Worldremit generally allows you to pay using a credit card, debit card, or a bank transfer from your own account. Select the option that works best for you. Before you finalize the transaction, you'll see a review screen. It's a crucial step. Make sure all recipient details, the amount, and the payment method are correct. If everything looks right, click Confirm. Once confirmed, the transfer is sent. You'll get a confirmation and will likely be able to track the progress of your transaction through Worldremit's website or app. Remember, fees vary based on the amount sent and the payment method used, and that's it. You've successfully sent money directly to a bank account.